Hi, I'm Sashrika Waidyarathna from Sri Lanka. In this screencast, I'm going to do a small demonstration about Reporting.REST web services, the module which I worked as a part of my GSOC project. My primary mentor was Lluis Martinez and my secondary mentor was Seaton. So the purpose of this project is expose more features in the reporting module via RESTful web services. It has to improve the existing resources as well as add new resources to expose the available resources in the reporting module. So I'll go one by one each resources available in the Reporting.REST module and demonstrate how to consume them and how to work them. So first let's see how to consume report definitions through the Reporting.REST module. I am using advanced REST client, Chrome REST client, to consume the REST web services. So here is the URL and let's click OK, and here you will find the available report definitions in the Reporting.REST OpenMRS database. Also it can search report definitions by name. So it search the report name which has name 1 and give the output. Also you can delete report definitions. You should select the UUID of the report definition and edit here, delete and send that. Then when you again get the old report definitions, there will be only 2 report definitions. The earlier one will be deleted. Then let's see how to consume cohort definition resources via the Reporting.REST module. This is the URL and I send. You can see the available cohort definitions. It also supports to search by name and delete cohort definitions. And after that, let's see how to get the available dataset definitions through the Reporting.REST module. This is the URL. Click send. Then it will show the available dataset definitions. This also support search by name and delete resources. After that, let's see how to access report resources. First I'll show how to add a report resource. Go to the OpenMRS reporting. Under the reporting, report administration, report design, add a one, type a name, description, choose a report definition, choose a render type, and here you can attach a resource file. This is the resource which we access through the Report.REST module. For demonstration purpose, I'll upload a simple text file. Then let's consume them. You can see it give the available report resources. You can get the full representation. If you need more details, you can see more details. Then after that, you can get the report resources available in the OpenMRS. First I will show how to create a report processor. Add another, type a name, description, submit, then click send. You will get the available report processors. This is the inputs which I applied. Then you can evaluate a report. For the initial version, it didn't allow us to evaluate a report but now you can evaluate a report. You have to put the UID here, send. You can see the report definition name and the evaluated data here. This is the key and this is the evaluated data. And you can also evaluate data sets from here. Let's take one data set from here. And put the UID here. You can see the evaluated data here. And again you can evaluate a cohort definition. Let's take a UUID of a cohort definition. Paste it here, send. You can see there are 103 members. All the members are shown here. Then let's see how to post a report request. In the initial version it didn't allow us to post a report request, but now you can post a report request. The difference between the report request and the evaluated report is, if you use evaluated report resource to evaluate a report, you will have to wait until the evaluation complete to get the output. Until it is being evaluated, you can't get the output. But in report request, you can request a report definition to evaluate, and you can check the status of the report request by get operation. Until it is completed, you will see the status is requested and the content, the evaluated data, will be null. When it is completed, you can see the status is completed, and in the evaluation data field you can see the evaluated data. So let's see how to evaluate a report definition. Let's take a report definition from here. Paste it in the definition name area. We have to give the status, description, schedule, base code definition, priority and rendering mode. I all have said earlier. And click send. You can see it is created. Let's check the available report request by performing the get operation. You can see this is the report request which we made just now. You can see the status is requested. If we get the full representation, you can see still the content is null, the evaluated data. Oh, just now complete, and it shows the evaluated data. If it is not completed yet, you can see it is requested as previous time and the dataset area will be null. So let's see how to put a cohort request. You have to put the cohort UUID here, schedule and priority. Let's send it. Created and send. You can see this one is requested and the datasets is still null. Definition name is cohort wrapper. Let's request it again. Now this is the cohort wrapper. Study is completed and it shows 103 patients. The below data will be shown here. Then let's see how to post a dataset request. You will need the dataset the UUID of the dataset definition, schedule, and the priority. Click send. It's created. The name is dataset wrapper. This is the dataset wrapper. The status is requested. Let's take that. Now it is completed. Let's take the full representation of that. Yes. You can see the data rows here. So I think I have covered all the important areas of the Reporting.REST module. If you have any questions, you can post it here. Thank you.